superheroes of today is the future of our country, the expectations of our school, that is our dear students. A hearty welcome to you, my dear students, to this function. Thank you. Our principal ma'am come forward for presidential address.
ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട എം ഡി സർ, നമ്മുടെ ചീഫ് ഗസ്റ്റായി ഇവിടെ എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്ന സൗമ്യ മാം, ഗുരുദേവ് ആർട്സ് ആൻഡ് സയൻസ് കോളേജിലെ പ്രൊഫസർ കൂടിയാണ്. മാമിനെ നമ്മുടെ പരിപാടിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ബാക്കിയുള്ള എല്ലാ ടീച്ചിങ് സ്റ്റാഫിനെയും നോൺ ടീച്ചിങ് സ്റ്റാഫിനെയും നമ്മുടെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട എല്ലാ മക്കളെയും ഈ പരിപാടിയിലേക്ക് ഭാഷാ ക്ലബ് ഉദ്ഘാടനത്തിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിച്ചു കൊള്ളുന്നു. നമ്മുടെ ആശയവിനിമയ ഉപാധിയാണ് ഭാഷ. എല്ലാ ഭാഷകളും എല്ലാ ലാംഗ്വേജുകളും നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കുന്നു. നമ്മൾ അതിലൂടെ ആശയവിനിമയം നടത്തുവാൻ നമുക്ക് സാധിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നു. നമ്മുടെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളിലെ സാഹിത്യാഭിരുചി വർദ്ധിപ്പിക്കുക എന്ന ലക്ഷ്യത്തോടു കൂടിയാണ് ഭാഷാ ക്ലബ്ബ് എന്നിവിടെ ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. വായിച്ച് വളരുക എന്നുള്ള സന്ദേശം കൂടി നമ്മൾ ഇതിലൂടെ പ്രചരിപ്പിക്കുക എന്നുള്ള ഉദ്ദേശം കൂടി നമുക്ക് ഇതിനോട് ഭാഗമായിട്ടുണ്ട്. പിന്നീട് നമ്മുടെ സാഹിത്യാഭിരുചികൾ വർദ്ധിപ്പിക്കുക, സാഹിത്യാനുകാലിക സംഭവങ്ങളിൽ സംവാദങ്ങൾ നടത്തുക, വിവിധ ഭാഷകളിലുള്ള കൃതികൾ നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികളുടെ ഇടയിലുള്ള കവിതകളായിക്കോട്ടെ, കഥകളായിക്കോട്ടെ, മറ്റ് ലേഖനങ്ങളായിക്കോട്ടെ, അവയൊക്കെ പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കുക, അവയൊക്കെ എഴുതുന്നത് പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കുക എന്ന ഒരു ഉദ്ദേശം കൂടി ഈ ക്ലബിന്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ നടത്താൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുകയാണ്. അടുത്തതായി ഇനാഗുറേഷന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ ചീഫ് ഗസ്റ്റിനെ ക്ഷണിച്ചു.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Respected Principal, Prida Ma'am, Honorable MD of the school, Aditya Sister, other dignitaries on the dais, teachers, and the cute, smart students of True Light School. Okay. I don't have enough words to express how happy I am today to stand before you. Because before this, I had given many lectures, seminars, workshops on a wide variety of topics to a multitude of students, teachers, and even to principals. But this is for the first time I'm facing such a small children in front of me to speak a few words. So I'm very happy. So I take this opportunity to thank the management of this school, Jim Joseph sir, principal, for giving me this opportunity to stand before you, and especially your beloved teacher, Miss Sunita, who was one of my favorite students at Gurudev Arts and Science College. And it doubles my pleasure that I am good. And I think this is a great initiative by the school. Should I change my language? Malayalam parayano? Endalo? Okay. So, it's a great initiative, I think, especially Language and Oratory Club. We had to do many things on behalf of this club. For me, many from the, you are from which class?
5th class.
5th class, from 5th to 10th, I think, right? Okay. So, let me share some thoughts on language communication as I stand here to inaugurate this club. One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change this world. കേട്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? നമ്മൾ is one child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change this world. Yes? No. These words are by Malala Yousafzai. Have you heard? Huh? Malala Yousafzai? Who is Malala Yousafzai? You might be knowing this. She is a great educational activist, Pakistani educational activist, right? Then UN ambassador, then the winner of Nobel Prize for Literature for Peace in 2014, right? So these words, one child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. Yes, this is very true. Like she said, she herself is the perfect example of what she said. She could change the world later. Okay? So, do you know her story? No? She's just like you, a common student in Pakistan. So, what happened? Taliban came to rule in her region. Who is Taliban? The terrorist group, right? Okay, so what they said? Girls are not supposed to study. Schools should be closed. Girls are not supposed to study. We agree? We agree? Will you agree if you have some situation like this? No. Malala also reacted against this. So her father, with the full support of her family, her father especially, she without any fear, she continued going to school. Okay, and she started speaking against Taliban, and she started speaking in support of education for girls. See what happened? Some terrorist came and shot Malala on her head. Okay? So she was narrowly escaped from her death. Okay? She was shifted to US and there she got great treatment and she came back to life. She became the great educational activist who continues to say, speak, argue for girls and their education. So we can say she herself is the example of what she said, right? Right. So I know that here also many Malalas are sitting here. Then you will become Malala or the male version of Malala. Okay? So what we have to do, maybe you will become one of the renowned speakers of the world like Malala one day. Okay? You want to become a great speaker? An orator? What do you mean orator? Speaker. പ്രാസംഗിക അല്ലേ? സോ അവൻ ആഗ്രഹമില്ലേ ഇങ്ങനെ സംസാരിക്കാനായിട്ട്? Okay, so this here is the role of our language club and oratory club to build up your skills of oratory and communication. Let me say something about this language and communication. To become a great orator, first of all, we should be a great communicator. We know that truly in our contemporary scenario, English is a global language, right? So we cannot think a higher education or a job without English language, right? Okay, so we have to be very fluent in English language, right? ശരിയല്ലേ? Okay, so what we can do to communicate better in English? Let me give you some tips and techniques today. Okay, so we all know we born and bringing up as Malayalis, right? Right. So we are speaking most prominently in Malayalam, communicating in Malayalam, right? But even though we have to communicate better in English also. Okay. So there are 4 skills that you should master if you want to communicate better in English. Which are those 4 skills? Might be 9 days. Which are those 4 skills? പറയാൻ പറ്റുമോ? One is reading. You should master reading. Then writing, very good. Then speaking, good. Then listening. Okay, which are those 4 skills? Reading, writing, listening, speaking. Very good. So you should master in these 4. These are skills to be acquired. So these skills we are not supposed to get involved. We have to develop it. Okay? Develop the reading skill of us. Are you a reader? Are you a reader? No? Why? Do you like reading? Yes? Which kind of books you are reading? Comics, storybooks, very good. Okay, so you should love with reading in order to be a great communicator. Okay, so are you ready to read? Have you started reading already? Okay, so continue with that. So I know some of you are not yet started reading. So what are your hobbies? Watching TV? No? You are such a goody students, right? Then watching Instagram reels? No? Okay, watching YouTube channels? No? Of course, yes, you are very goody students of True Life School. Okay, so I am not supposed to say that you are not, you should ban yourself from mobile phones or TV channels. No, we should make it productive, all your screen time. Okay, so how? So read. So we just begin with reading, right? Okay, reading. So you should start with, like she said, some storybooks, comics. Okay, I know that the first reading will not be that much easy for you because we are all Malayalis. So we bringing up as we are bringing as Malayalis, right? So we used to Malayalam. Okay, so in the first reading, not difficult, എന്താണ് കാരണം എന്താ നമുക്ക് അത്ര വേർഡ്സിന് മീനിങ്സ് ഒന്നും കിട്ടുന്നില്ല അല്ലേ we have to be in search of the meaning of many words, so we are not supposed to get the rest of that book. Okay, so that's for only 1 book. Okay, when you started the second, when you complete the first book and after you started the second book, definitely it will be much more easier. Okay, if you will complete 3 or 4 books, you are not supposed to go for meanings. Okay, so if you completed 5, 6 or 10 books, reading will become a great interest for it. Okay, so start reading. What are the benefits of reading? What are the benefits of reading? See, while you are reading, the phrases, the idioms, the sentence structure that will register in your mind, that will be imprinted in your mind. When you started speaking or writing, that will unconsciously, automatically come into your mind. Okay, so that's why you should all start reading and you should become a good reader also. Okay, will you start reading?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the second one? Writing, very good. Writing. How can writing beneficial for us to communicate? See, here is the role for when we are speaking about reading. Here is the role of this language and oratory club. So this we can take the help of language club for to select books for reading according to our class, according to our age. They will give you books to read and you should make reviews on it. So that can make a review competition, reading competition like that. Okay, so writing we can take along with reading. If we completed a book, we can write a review on it. Writing, that will definitely improve your sentence structures, improve your language. Okay, you can correct it. Okay, so writing also, you can practice that. At least you should write 10 sentences of your own daily at your home. Definitely that will boost up your communication skills. And the third one, time farming. Let me continue, sir. Okay, so the third one is listening. So here is the role of all those social medias. Okay, while you are searching of these kind of reels, you can see many English channels also that will improve your communication skills, like English Ayalo. There is a channel you should search today, sir. Okay, English Ayalo. So that will definitely give you tricks and techniques to improve your communication skill. Inverted coconut, have you heard of it? Ah, very good. Okay. So all these channels you can search for it and you can use these kind of things instead of simply watching those kinds of reels. Okay, comedy. So you can watch films. Do you like films? Feelings? There is a greater possibility for feelings to develop or improve your communication skill. So this language club can wisely select those feelings and can show one feeling in a week to these children to develop or improve your communication skill. Okay, so you should listen maximum English. Your favorite cartoon channels, if that will get in English, you should watch those things in English. Okay. And the last one, speaking. Okay. These three skills are we are already a master of it, but without speaking, nothing will happen. So we have to speak out. Okay, so at any word, I think you listen to English daily from your teachers, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you have the chance to speak English to your teachers, right? While at home, speak English or Malayalam? Malayalam. So speaking exposure is very less in our day-to-day life, in our daily course, because we listen or speak only at school. But make home also a center of speaking English. Okay, so you can speak something to your father, your mother, your brother or sister. Okay, so it will be great fun to speak in English at home. You can actually speak to your friends also. Hi bro, what's up? ഇതൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ചോദിക്കില്ലേ അല്ലേ? ഇതേപോലെ നമ്മൾ കുഞ്ഞു കാര്യങ്ങൾ മലയാളത്തിൽ ചോദിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് യു ക്യാൻ സ്പീക്ക് ടു യുവർ സെൽഫ്, റൈറ്റ്? ആരും കേൾക്കില്ല അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ മറ്റുള്ളവരോട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സംസാരിക്കാത്ത? ഇല്ലേ? we are doubtful that whether it is wrong. അല്ലേ? ഇതാവുമ്പോ ആരും പേടിക്കണ്ടല്ലോ. നമുക്ക് നമ്മളോടല്ലേ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ? നമുക്ക് സംസാരിക്കും, നമ്മൾ തെറ്റ് സംസാരിക്കുന്ന ആരെങ്കിലും കേൾക്കോ? ആരും കേൾക്കോ? ഇല്ല. So speak to yourself. Okay, so these are the 4 skills that we should master to improve our communication skill. Okay, so definitely there will be greater opportunities in our language club and oratory club, and I know that I am sure that you will all become great orators and communicators with the help of this language club. Okay, so and I proudly declare that with the consent of all here, this language and oratory club has been inaugurated. This language club and oratory club can contribute many orators to the world from this blessed school, like its name suggests, the true guiding light, the true light school. Thank you for inviting me here. Wish you all the great success to this club and all the great success to you. Wish you a great future ahead to the cute students of True Light School. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words really inspiring and informative for us. Now, I request our Managing Director, Ajit Joseph sir, to address the gathering.
Good morning. Respected Chief Guest, Soumya ma'am, our Principal Prida Miss, our PRO Madhu sir, and our language teachers Sudhita Miss and Seema Miss, and our Rasi Miss who welcomed us, and all the students, the lovely kids gathered here from classes 5 to 10. I'm really happy to stand before you this morning. And while I was sitting there, I was thinking about my school days, not school days, my college days. Actually, I got a chance to preach in my church at the age of 15 or 16, I think. And one of my friend, he helped me to prepare a message from Bible. And I wrote all those messages in 2-3 papers, and I by heart everything. And at the time of, on my time, I just stand in front of, I think 15 or 20 people in front of me. And I start to speak, but I couldn't finally I opened all the notes and I read it. And I couldn't complete it on time. And after that, I remember I went to Bethany Academy, that's in Vendikulam, Tiruvalla. You know Pathanamthitta district? Yeah, that's there, in Pathanamthitta district. On my BA BD course. And there we had morning devotions every day. And I think there are 30 or 35 students. We are studying in theology plus BA degree there. 35 or 40 students. And each one of us, we had to give a morning devotion message every day. And the first day, I took the same paper from the church which I kept in my pocket, and I started the same message there. I couldn't complete that. I just sat down there. I was so much frightened to stand before that audience. Only below 50 or maximum 50 or 55 students there, but I couldn't stand in front of them because of the stage fear. And that day I decided, anyway, I just want to become an orator or a preacher. I just want to become. And in our school, the system was, they divided the 30 or 40 students for giving the speech for each day. And only one day I will get in 1 month for giving a message to the other students. And there are some orphan students also there. What type of students? Orphan students. They don't want to take that opportunity. That time, they want to give that opportunity to somebody else. And I took all those opportunities of all those students. And finally, at the time of graduation of that school, I was the graduation speaker. In that 3 years, I got such a success from that school, from that college. And I assure you that True Light English School is giving a very good opportunity for all of you to stand on the stage, and especially at the time of lunch break, and in our Arts Day programs, and in our Annual Day programs. Not even in Annual Day or Arts Day program. Every day you are getting a chance to stand and say something, or dance, or a song, or some speeches, whatever you want. If it is a story, whatever you want, you can perform it on the stage every day in our True Light English School. Make use of that opportunity in your maximum effort and become the orators of the world. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite our students on the stage to recite a poem. Esther.
I saw a piece of heaven waiting patience for me down, and I was standing far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. I was dancing in the rain and felt alive. I can't complain, but no, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore.
Ishan.
Chief Guest Soumya Ma'am, respected MD Ajit Sir, my dear teachers and friends. I am Ishan RK from 4th A. Today I am going to speak about the importance of the English language. We all talk, think and we all communicate. But how do we do that? We do that through words. But not just words, but words in a particular language which others can understand. Now I am talking about English language. In this world, people speak around 7,000 languages and English is the most spoken language and it is considered as a global language. It plays a major role in business, technology, education, travel, etc. Learning English will open doors to many opportunities in the future. Hence, it is necessary to learn and understand it. Thank you.
ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ് എവരിവൺ. സഞ്ജയ് അമ്പലപ്പറമ്പ് എഴുതിയ അച്ഛൻ വരുന്നുണ്ട് എന്ന കവിതയാണ് ഞാൻ ഇന്നിവിടെ ചൊല്ലുന്നത്. അച്ഛൻ വരുന്നുണ്ടിന്നു വരുന്നുണ്ടുച്ചയോടെത്തുമെന്നും ചൊല്ലി എപ്പോഴുമേറെ ചിരിച്ചമ്മ ചൊല്ലുന്ന കാര്യമിന്നെൻ്റെ കരഞ്ഞു ചൊല്ലി. പറമ്പിലെ മാവിന്റെ കൊമ്പുകൾ വെട്ടി മുറിക്കുന്നതെന്തിനമ്മേ? വേനലവാദിക്കച്ഛൻ വരുന്നേരം വേറെ വീടു നാട് കെട്ടിയാടും. അച്ഛൻ്റെ ചിത്രം പത്രത്തിലെന്തിന് അച്ചടിച്ചിങ്ങനെ വന്നതമ്മേ? കണ്ടിരുന്നോ വണ്ടികൾ പൊട്ടിപ്പൊളിഞ്ഞ ചിത്രം? അച്ഛൻ വരുന്നെന്നറിഞ്ഞിട്ടു പിന്നമ്മ ഉച്ചയൂണന്റെ ഒരു കാത്തത്. വേഗമൊന്നെന്നച്ഛൻ വന്നിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ വാരിയെടുത്തെന്നെ ഊട്ടിയേനെ. കാശ്മീരിനെ പറ്റി അച്ഛൻ പറഞ്ഞു, കൗതുകം കൊണ്ടു ഞാൻ വാ പൊളിച്ചു. മഞ്ഞുമലകൾ നിറഞ്ഞൊരാ സ്വർഗം മോഹിച്ചു പോയതു കേട്ട നേരം. എന്തിനാണച്ഛൻ നമ്മെ തനിച്ചാക്കിയെന്നും ആ സ്വർഗത്തിൽ ചെന്നിരിപ്പു. ഇനി നമ്മളില്ലാതെ പോകുവാനാണേ ഇടികൊടുക്കാതെ വിടരുതമ്മേ. അച്ഛനെ പോലെ വസ്ത്രം ധരിച്ച് ആരൊക്കെയാണ് വരുന്നതിന്? ഇന്ത്യൻ പതാക കൊണ്ടു പുതപ്പിച്ച ഇത്രയും പോന്നൊരു പെട്ടിയുമായി. അച്ഛൻ വരും അമ്മയുടെ കുമ്പേലെ കുഞ്ഞുവാവയ്ക്ക് അച്ഛനയച്ച സമ്മാനമാവും. അച്ഛൻ വരുന്നുണ്ടിന്നു വരുന്നുണ്ടുച്ചയോടെത്തുമെന്നമ്മ ചൊല്ലി.
Yes. Now I request our Managing Director Adit sir to hand over the lounge open to Soumya.
प्यारी प्यारी अम्मा मेरी मीठे मीठे गीत सुनाती, ताज़ा ताज़ा दूध मिलाती, तरह तरह का खाना खिलाती, मेरी सारी बातें सुनती, अच्छी अच्छी सीखे देती, संग सुलाती, सुबह जगाती, कितनी प्यारी अम्मा मेरी, कितनी प्यारी अम्मा मेरी.
Thank you, students. Now I request our Sunita ma'am to propose vote of thanks.
A very good morning to all.
Good morning.
Today I am extremely happy because our chief guest Soumya Miss, she taught me 3 years in college. Her motivation, encouragement made me a teacher today. Thank you so much, Miss. A special thank you Miss for accepting our invitation and being a part of us today. The next our management, MD Ajit sir, PRO Madhusudanan sir, Principal Preeta Miss. Thank you so much for your valuable help and support. Finally, our lovable teachers, my dear loving children, thank you for your valuable presence and support. We will do our best for your club. We expect your coordination, support every time. Thank you once again.